Welcome back. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, my viewers and sub. Big super out in the weather. My voice. People, my voice. The weather look like it take a tone. For my voice, people. My voice, yeah. But me just a look for a walk on. Me dey out of East Prospect, ya people. And me a take a walk and me a look on the road where I undermine. And we look on the gutter, we look on the gully, we look on the drain, places that we still have in water, and all the things that come on, it will get any better, or it will get any worse, people. So you know, so we have a weather season, we're in the rainy season, people. Yeah, look up now the sky there. Sky look dark. Yeah, good morning, good morning. The sky look dark, people. East Prospect look dark this morning. Yeah, the sky dark, people. And we have a what I call it, frontal system. So stick and stay. Big super. I'm gonna make a walk and look how the gully and drain. We don't know if them are gonna hold out, people, but the whole of the debris them take time and wash away. The whole of the debris them take time and wash away. So stick and stay.
More rainfall expected for drought-hit Jamaica as trough lingers.
Jamaica, which has had stringent water restrictions imposed by the National Water Commission due to the ongoing drought affecting sections of the island, is forecast to receive increased rainfall for the remainder of this week. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica said this is as a result of a broad trough that is producing unstable weather across the Western Caribbean. The trough is expected to linger across the Western Caribbean for the rest of the week. The forecast is for mostly cloudy conditions with periods of showers and thunderstorms, which could be heavy at times, to affect most parishes today and continue through to the weekend. Fishers and other marine interests should exercise caution as sea conditions will deteriorate in the vicinity of showers and thunderstorms, especially on the north coast, the Met Service said. Here's a look at the weather forecast as of 5 a.m. Wednesday, May 31, 2023, according to the Meteorological Service. 24-hour forecast. This morning, afternoon/evening, cloudy, with periods of showers and thunderstorms across the island. Tonight, mostly cloudy, with isolated showers mainly across south-central and eastern parishes. Maximum temperature expected for Kingston today. 33 degrees Celsius maximum temperature expected for Montego Bay today. 33 degrees Celsius 3-day forecast, starting Thursday and Friday, cloudy with periods of showers and thunderstorms across the island. Saturday, morning showers across southern parishes, mostly cloudy elsewhere. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms mainly across sections of central and eastern parishes. Other current regional weather features: a tropical wave across the south-central Caribbean. Another tropical wave across the southeastern Caribbean. An area of low pressure across Panama.
Yeah, my viewers and sub. Yeah, man, the other day I make a walk. I make a walk out of the Beverly Hills section. That's so people. Bear with me, people, because my voice. It's like the rain wet me up with it, and it's like my voice. My voice. But anyhow, people, big super there. With him voice same way. And my voice not gone away. I'm going to walk this morning and I take a look for what really take place out in the Beverly Hills section of St.Thomas. Yeah, man, the gully and the drain where them left unattended, them still there same way. They need some attention, people. They need some attention. So them there. I'm walk and take a look over there. Yes, my viewers and sub. Them need some attention. The gully and the drain need some attention. Yeah, because at the weather season we are going on. And if if them thing they not sort out, right now people, and they never did start out before the weather. They never start them out before the weather. So you know say a problem people. A whole heap of problem that. So Big Super there and we there on the road and we are walk go down to one gully we always block up. Yeah, we are walk go down. Good morning, sweetie. We are walk go down to one section where the gully always block up people. Because we want to take a look on it. Because when the heavy rain come down the other day, there was a reptile on the roads in the vicinity. Right down in the vicinity there was a 4-foot reptile I run up and down. So, my viewers and sub, you know it go when the rain come down, the reptile come out people. Want to see the rain people. Want to see the rain, the reptile come out. Because you know St.Thomas have a lot of reptile. You understand? So, my viewers and sub, we are walk go down to where the gully always block up. You see right down at that section here, so when rain fall you can't see the road there. Because right down there so having a sink. You understand me? Right down there so have a sink in it. When rain fall, you can't see the road there. And we just have to big up the opposition leader, Mark Golin, because we see where him say him take 20% and him hand over the other 80% to charity. Well, me I tell him to put some of the charity, write my name, write Big Super name on the charity, on the 80%. Me have a whole heap of hungry belly people out there when we feed including myself. So it's right in the vicinity here people. Right in the vicinity here. It's when rain fall, the whole of here so cover. You have one gully around here. I mean I want to buck up the 4-footer we live around here. And you live over another gully here. You understand me? But you have one 4-footer. You live between over another bush over in there so. And you live down in one gully where they right down in the vicinity here so people. I mean I want Big Super and I want to buck him up this morning. Because me can't talk film language and him can't talk minds. So, you see when them take the bulldozer and dig out here so, that look a shady type of work here them dig out. Anyhow it work out because you see when the water come down, it run along the hole here and then it goes straight down to the sea. But it's when the rain fall, people who drive on the road here, who drive up on the long level, who drive out in the East Prospect can tell you say, when the rain fall, you can't see the road there, it no exists again. You understand what I say? It come off of the map. And think we in the rainy season, people, the drain, the gully and the sidewalk them no fix up. And we don't know if the road are going to undermine, if it's strong enough. Because them say them put on the first layer. We don't know when the second layer will come. But them say them have the first layer. Them have this whole heap of unfinished section of the road there, out of East Prospect. We're in the rainy season and we need some good prayer people. Yeah, we are telling us we need some good prayer on the road there. So today I walk people and we are look and I right here so right in the vicinity here so them stop. Them to continue go all the way down there, so, you know, the road to continue go down, you know. But it stop right here so people. And if you see me look back up for East Prospect, look back up on the Beverly Hills at St.Thomas, that's the road, that's our left for the road people, and we give thanks to our left because the driver them can still drive on it, but we don't know if the rain continue with the way it will continue, if it will go weaken the road. So we will see, we don't want the road weaken, we are pray that the road stand up and thing. And back to the argument when I talk to the opposition leader, we say him I take 20%. That's where you go. Him say I take 20% and thing. But here me I say, opposition leader, you and the Prime Minister, and the whole of us to come together and take no percent. roll it back, set up a committee, some private member, man like me and some other man. And if we roll it back and make we decide on the 3 and 4% where the whole I want to get, like everybody else. So you take on yourself. So Big Super with the right in front of the blue and white scheme here for people. And we are doing the walk this morning. We are looking on the roadway. This when rain fall, whole heap of water come down out of them scheme here, you know. A lot of water come down out of them scheme. Now when them come down on the road there, it's not pretty. You understand? When it come down on the road, morning daddy. Yeah, so when it come down on the road, clarity boss. When they come down on the road there, people, it's not pretty. So, my viewers and subscribers, I want to big up on yourself, big up the channel. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Big Super, the out in the East Prospect, with the out at the Beverly Hills section of St.Thomas. Yeah man. And remember, if you can donate on $5 and $10 to go and keep the PayPal running, when you donate it, it's fair worth the cost. Because you see, my voice gone, but me still out here going. For now, Big Super, same to you guys. Peace out.